Hey guys, I'm Ashkan. I want to introduce you to Index. Index is a retrieval augmented generation or RAG application that we have recently developed in our team. And today I will show you some of its features, its workflow. We try to make it very beginner friendly, very non-developer friendly to everyone could use it very easily. Okay, first we set our OpenAI API key. This API key could be from Hugging Face 2. And also currently we are working on Index API that make various models available through the Index API. Here in this demo, I'm using OpenAI API key. Next, I'm create an instance of Index retrieval augmentation that import from Index and import my LLM and embedding model. You could use Hugging Face models. For example, you could use Mistral from Hugging Face if you set your Hugging Face API key, and also importing Korma vector store from index.vector store. Currently, we are support Fios and pgvector, and we are working to provide more model to use with Index and could work with Index. Now we have a data loader and splitter section. Currently we have two type of data loader and splitter, and we decided that for ease of use, it's better to perform loading and splitting in one step. For loading here, I'm using unstructured library. Unstructured library could work with different type of files. And in addition to unstructured library for text and PDF only, we can import the cluster split. Cluster split adds a clustering layer that creates chunks based on summaries of previous chunks that cause improve the model's understanding when model respond. And I should say this method is cluster split is inspired by Raptor paper. For this step, we just have to define the file path. There is no need to load it separately, just provide the file path. Now all I have to do is to store my document with index.store in vector store and provide my document to it. And I just have to set my retriever as question answer from index and provide my vector database, my LLM, and my top K value. And with invoke, I can make query, and with context, I could see which document LLM used to generate response.